welcome back to Coffee and Caress with Rosie. Yeah, and this is Sebastian, my son. It's actually his birthday today, so happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, and he's gonna help me with this craft. Don't worry, I'm going to handle the glue gun, but he'll be handing me the stuff. So for this craft, you're gonna need some driftwood. Try and get more than you think you're gonna need, because the last time I did it, I had to go back to the beach again and grab it. And then you can get these fake succulents off of Amazon, or even the dollar store has them now. Lots of places are selling them. And then I got this awesome fake moss at Walmart. The bag kind of looks like this. Sorry, it's already opened. I don't remember how much it was, but my estimate, I think it's like a $20 craft for everything. But I mean, if you're gonna hang it up in your house, that's cheaper than you probably would buy it for. Actually, maybe less than that. And you also are gonna need a glue gun. All right, here we go. Hi guys. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is make our frame. So you're gonna take 4 sticks and just kind of make a frame like that. And then we'll fill it in after we glue these ones together. So, first off, just gonna glue that.
Tree.
Yeah, it's called a succulent, buddy.
Yeah. Tree.
Yeah.
Tree.
Okay. Do you want to stick it in the middle? That's awesome. Okay. And then we're just gonna kind of product. I hope you like it. I think it turned out really, really well. Just leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to click subscribe and like my video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified for new videos I have to my channel. Thanks, guys!